wonder we like.
Alright, here we go. We're going to Mark's house to show him his portrait that we got of him. This is their front door that we're headed to. And they obviously read their newspapers.
Hello? Mind if we come in?
Are you guys decent? Oh, their house.
Hopefully not.
Their house. Whoa.
Shut it, ladies.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
How was your night last night?
That was good. That was good.
So we're just about to go have...
Well, hello.
How you guys feeling?
That looks so disgusting.
What are you
I just ate some soup.
It's chicken.
How's that gross?
Out of the pan.
Go down into my belly.
We're making a documentary on our friends, and we're about to go visit Jared and
A
have him
picture
sign
for you.
our picture.
Oh, let's go. Maybe we should take the van.
We have a convertible.
Let's take the convertible.
Yeah!
Do you have enough room?
But we're supposed to call
This is Mark's bed. He doesn't have a sheet.
No, come look in the bathroom.
Okay, let's go to the bathroom.
Out of our house.
Huh?
Hey, good thing there's no mold problem.
Yeah, we're taking care of it.
Ew!
You didn't judge me.
I'm glad it's under control.
Judge me now.
There's their tub.
So, are you ready?
Yeah, get dressed. Or get shoes on, I mean. This is so funny.